Good morning. I am still in Colorado, but I am at the Great Sand Dunes National Park. Well, technically I'm right outside of the national park, and I'm staying at this nice little place called Ramble, and I wanted to give y'all a little tour of like the bathroom shower area of like women's bathroom, men's bathroom, and then they have showers. So let me give y'all a little tour. So they do have rentals also, so you can check these out for like hiking or whatever you want to use it for, backpacks. They do have bathrooms. There's a sink here. These are items that you can purchase, so like shirts, toothpaste, bug spray. They're all available for purchase, and you basically scan the QR code, select your item, and pay, and then get your item. Then they do have a library here. That's so cute. And then there is a bathroom. I'll show you all the bathroom. There is 2 women's bathrooms, and I believe 2 men's bathrooms. Let me show y'all the shower. So there is a outdoor shower here. Very nice. There is a sink here to like wash your dishes and stuff. So yeah, this is a pretty nice place. I'm gonna go back to my campsite. I'll show y'all the campsite. It's so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna go check out Great Sand Dunes National Park today, and I'm excited to take y'all along another adventure here in Colorado. This is my last stop, y'all. My last stop before I head home. I'm honestly tired from the backpacking, and I'm actually ready to be home and be in my bed, but we're gonna check out one more place before that. Good morning. Hi. Yeah?
You want to read?
Yes, I am. Hi. Oh, nice to meet you. I'm gonna see one more thing before I drive from this section. There are bike rentals too. I'll show you. There are bike rentals. Oh, yeah, so I can show you. So this is the campsite. It's so cute. There's like a little kitchenette area. There's a grill. There is a fireplace with a stove, as you can see. And then that's where I put my tent. This is where I put my tent. I couldn't put the stakes in the ground because the ground was so hard, and I was so tired last night, so I was just like, whatever, we'll see what happens. But it held up. It looks pretty good. Yeah, so this place is so nice. Definitely close to Great Sand Dunes. Definitely has all the luxuries you could ever need if you want to go camping. It's definitely a step up from just plain camping because I got this little kitchenette. So right now I'm about to make a little breakfast. Then I'm gonna head to Great Sand Dunes and explore. Great Sand Dunes. I'm so excited to be back here. I've been here before once, but I'm excited to come back. And here are the dunes. You can see them from here. They are back there. made it to the sand dunes. So you can actually walk up here, and I'm about to climb all the way up. Let's see how far I can go. Yeah, it's probably tough, but we'll see how far up I can get. It's so beautiful. Wow, y'all, this is a long walk. It is a long walk to the dunes. So if you come here, just be prepared. Oh, wow. I feel like my feet are like sinking in every time. So I probably should wear my tennis shoes, but man, it's kind of a walk. We're almost there though. Almost there. Almost there. Okay, I think I made it to the part where I can take off my shoes because the sand is so soft out of the rocks, I think. So I'm gonna try taking off my shoes. The sand is warm. Ah, yeah, the sand is warm, y'all. It's hot. But it is summer, so it makes sense. Oh, let's keep walking up a little bit more. The sand actually feels really good, y'all. Once you dig your feet down under, it feels amazing. So the Great Sand Dunes are definitely massive. As you can see, there's people climbing all the way to the top, but it is very hot and I am not about to do that right now. If it was a little cooler, maybe I would, but it's extremely hot and I'm about to go head home. But you can do so much here. There's a lot of people sliding down the dunes. Just hike all the way to the top if you want to. So many things you can do here, and you could also play in the water. I think there's like a creek or a river that runs through the base of the dunes, so you could also play in the water. There's not much water today, but I did hear somebody say like a couple weeks ago it was like full and it was rushing. But yeah, such a beautiful, unique place. I am about to head home, make my way back. It is a walk, so if you come here, just know like you're gonna be walking for a long time to get to the dunes. And yeah, once you get to the dunes, you can actually take your shoes off, and I think that actually helps. It feels really good on the feet, actually. The top layer is very hot, but like once you dig your toes in the sand, it's nice and cool.